And here we are in Mexico. Today, this is a beautiful celebration of life. It is a celebration of your love, culinary delights, incredible music, and dancing underneath the stars today. You've truly chosen a celebration with the joining of your family and friends who are family.
All right, Jasmine, here we go. I love you. I love Nick, and I'm so excited for you guys to spend the rest of your lives together. Okay, turn around, hug her.
Your marriage will not be the beginning. It will be forever a relationship that includes your family and friends and many celebrations to come. But marriage is also an affirmation of your life. It's an undying commitment, a spiritual and emotional bond made between two beautiful people. And it's created from the purest of friendship. That's how you met, and that's how you will be in 50 years when you grow old and you truly understand who each other are. As you grow old, we have our hearts open and we go through all of the experiences of life. It will be sharing that does not diminish who you are as individuals. Know that you will always be that wonderful person. You will always guide each other in this lifetime together.
Jasmine, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
With this I wed you.
With this I wed you,
And I commit my life to you.
and I commit my life to you.
Nick, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love
With all that I am.
with all that I am
And all that I have.
and all that I have.
I commit my life to you.
I commit my life to you.
Jasmine and Nick, to make your marriage work, it will take love. And love should be the very core of your marriage, and love is the very reason you're here today. But it also takes trust to know in your hearts that you want the very best for each other. Today, over the beautiful years you've shared and you've grown together as human beings.
Hey.
Makes us, yes! Makes us, yes!